This is our 2015 Catalina 355. It's a well-kept, one-owner, late-model sailboat that we sold brand new and has some great options. A popular boat on the Texas coast, it fills a nice niche in the mid-30-foot range of sailboats. The 355 is a versatile boat that is perfect for couples. Some features include air conditioning, a bow thruster, furling mainsail, and a heavy-duty bimini that has many extras included. We've recently posted tours of a 2012 and a 2019 Catalina 355, and I'll put links in the corner for you to check those out as well. The stern has a swim ladder and a walk-through transom, allowing for convenient access from the water and the dock. The cockpit is very roomy with a lot of seating throughout and a teak cockpit table with 2 teak leaves that drop out of the way for ease of movement. Visibility from the helm is great, and the helm features Raymarine electronics, bow thruster with a joystick, a leather-wrapped folding wheel, and well-placed primary winches. The stern perch seats are comfortable, especially with the back cushions, and the cockpit has plenty of storage. Wide and clear weather decks along with double lifelines make walking forward highly secure. Features here at the bow include an electric windlass, large anchor locker, and a removable bowsprit for asymmetrical spinnakers. The spacious interior feels more like a 40-footer and every part is designed to be useful. Plus, with the new marine AC unit installed in 2019, you'll be comfortable in any climate. To starboard is the U-shaped settee with soft, ultra-leather cushions that surround the quad-leaf dining table. The table can be folded or unfolded depending on how much room you need, but you can also lower it, add a cushion, and turn it into a double berth. To port are 2 seats and a small dinette, which can also lower and convert into a single berth or settee. The nav station is compact but well designed. Just across from the nav station is the large U-shaped galley that is both functional and beautiful. The deep, double-polished stainless steel sinks have a single lever faucet and sprayer. The refrigerator freezer has both front and top access for convenience. The galley features a gimbaled stove and oven and the optional AC-powered microwave. Aft of the galley is a private guest stateroom. The double berth has a comfortable mattress with an angled seat back, cedar lined hanging locker, overhead hatch for ventilation, and adjustable reading lights. The head has a ton of room and features a shower with a seat and a vessel-style sink which allows for more counter space. Another great feature in particular is that the head is made from a single piece of molded fiberglass, which makes it very easy to clean. The owner's stateroom is all the way forward and features a large double berth, a cedar-lined and paneled hanging locker, and numerous drawers and shelves, which provide plenty of storage for longer trips. She is powered by a 29 horsepower Yanmar diesel which has very low hours. The Catalina 355 is the perfect couples boat and can adapt to anything you can throw at it, from cruising around to sailing offshore. Like I mentioned, we sold this boat new, so we know it well. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.